Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nihal Zulkarnain. Hereby, I will present about my thesis proposal entitled Star-Killer Personality Conflict of Good and Evil as seen in Saint William, Star Wars The Force Unleashed. Without further ado, I will explain about the first one is the background of the research. The background of research content of the mental illness. Mental illness is the behavior of or mental pattern that can cause severe pain of impaired personal function. Mental illness is the health condition that involve mood change, thinking, or behavior. It can affect anyone regardless of their circumstances. Literally, works are created in many forms, including novel, indeed as fictional work. The event and story, despite in the novel, are slightly different or significantly different from the real life. However, as noted by the Colin McGinn in 2007, is written in a way that appears to be realistic and understandable from the readers. Now to be going to talk about the main background. Star Wars is the multi-genre mythology and multimedia franchise created by the George Lucas in 1976, comprising movies, novels, comics, video games, toys, and numerous television series. The Star Wars franchise employ the atypical motif common to religions, classical mythology, and political climax, as well as musical motif of those same aspects. Next one, I'm talking about the central figure. The Force Unleashed is the Star Killer. He was a Jedi child who was taken by the Sith Lord Darth Vader as a secret appreciate and personal assassin during the reign of the Galactic Empire. Therefore, the Force Unleashed is the result of how mental issue can change someone's life. Saint William presented several cases of the fictional character who reflect a mental issue in his novel. I seek to analyze the representation of the Star Killer psychological conflict of good and evil in the Star Wars The Force Unleashed. With the research, I want to explain the mental issue in the main character, the affect his whole life. Thus, I title this research Star Killer Personality Conflict of Good and Evil as seen in the Saint William Star Wars The Force Unleashed. Continue to the next one, the identification of the problem. The research analyzes the role of personality conflict toward the Force Unleashed. There are three reasons why I choose this topic. The first one, I am interested in the unconscious motive that Star Killer has. Next, I want to examine the role of the mental illness toward the main character portrayed in the novel. Lastly, I want to show how the novel managed to bring the effect of mental illness and make the reader can learn from it. The next one is about the chapter 2, theory and method. The first one is the theoretical framework. The main literary criticism theory that I will use in this research is psychoanalytic. It means the issues that are related to real life can be analyzed with the criticism. The writer will also use hierarchy of need theory from the Mello to support the research. To further explanation, psychoanalytic theory was developed by the Sigmund Freud from the 1856 to 1939. All Freud work relies on the concept of the unconscious, which is the part of the mind outside the consciousness. However, this has great impact of our action. Psychological criticism in the literature usually focus on authors, character, and the readers. Next one is the Mello hierarchy of need. Is the motivical theory, psychological comparison of 5-tier model of human need, often recited as hierarchical level within the pyramid from the bottom of the hierarchy upward. The original hierarchy of need, the 5-step model include the first one is the physiological need, the second one is safety needs, the third one is the need for love and belonging, the fourth one is the Esther need, and the last one is the need for the self-realization. The next one I will continue about the method of the research. There are 3 steps involved in the research process. This include the collecting the data, analyzing the data, and then presenting of the result of the research. In the collecting data, the writer will apply the reliable research according to the research method from the Hello Wiki, Canada 2007. that concluding the main source and the secondary source. The next step, analysis the data. The writer will first learn the storyline of the force unleashed and take note regarding the psychological element contained in the novel. Then the writer will analyze the psychological awareness of the main character. The method that the writer will use in this research is the descriptive qualitative research method. And lastly, the last step is the presenting the result of analysis. The writer will use the descriptive way to present the result of analysis. This result of analysis will be presented in the narrative form containing the author's argument. That's all that I can explain from my I'm sorry. That's what I can explain from my thesis proposal. I'm sorry if I made a lot of mistake. I'm still learning. Thank you very much.